Hello, future teachers. This is exercise 21 with other percent discounts. And I'm actually going to show you two different ways to do it. The first step is to multiply the percent in decimal form times the price, and that shows the amount of the discount. And then that amount is subtracted from the total cost. In decimal form, you always have to go 2 spaces to the left to get in decimal form. So from here, you go back 2 spaces, and then that means that the decimal will be here, and it's going to be 0.05. Let's say that on Mondays, you get a 5% discount. On Tuesday, you get 20% discount. On weekends, you get 13% discount. So I'm going to multiply the total price, which is $110.99 times 0.05, and then you multiply 5 times 9 is 45, carry 4 times 9 is 45, plus 4 is 49, carry 4. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And then when you multiply 0 times everything, is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, so it won't impact this. However, if you get confused, just put 0 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but always put the 0 in the second space. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you add those zeros, in reality, it doesn't change. You get the 5, you get the 9, you get the 4, you get the 5, and the 5. Once you multiply, you are going to count how many place values you have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go back 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the left. And if we round, the cents ends up here in the hundredths. So if this number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you will round up to the next value in here. But if this is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then this stays the same, and then you get rid of whatever is after the second digit, okay, the second place. So this will be $5.55. That's my discount. That's how much I'm going to save on Mondays. So from the total price, which is $110.99, I subtract $5.55, and then I subtract 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Oh, one thing, in multiplication, we add all the decimal places. In subtraction, we just align the decimal point and bring it down in that same place. In here, we borrow 10 minus 5 is 5, and then now this is 0. And so 10, you just bring it down. So my new price will be $105.44. Let's do it in a different way. So if you have a 5% discount, how much will you pay of the total price? Oh, instead of 5%, I'll pay 95%, right? The new price will be 95% of the original price. Because you're saving 5%, you're paying 95%. So that's another way of finding the price with the discount, just finding what you are paying after that discount. Decimal form, you bring the decimal to the left. It's right here now. So it's 0.95, and some people put the 0, times the original price. Again, why am I multiplying by 0.95? Because that comes from the percent that I will be paying. If I'm saving 5%, I'll pay 95% of the price. So 5 times 9 is 45, carry 4. 5 times 9 is 45, times 4 is 49, carry 4. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Now we multiply the 9. 9 times 9 is 81, carry 8. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 8 is 89, carry 8. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 8 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times 1 is 9. We add, so we get 5. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, carry 1. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 5 is 15, carry 1. And 9 plus 1 is 10. In multiplication, we count the decimal spaces from both of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go back. So we go back 1, 2, 3, 4. So this, as a price, would be $105.44. This is a 0, so it does not give anything to that one. If this was 5 or more, then it will give 1. If you notice, we get the same price. Okay? Finding it first the discount and subtracting that discount from the total price, we get 105 with 44 cents. And by finding what we will be paying in percent, right? Subtracting this from 100, 100 minus 5 is 95. So 95% is the price I will be paying. Multiply that in decimal form times the price, and I'll get the same answer. Go back 2 spaces, always 2 spaces, right? It's dividing by 20 by 100 or 5 divided by 100, that's what we will get. If you use a calculator, it will come out as 0.2, okay? In decimal form, it comes as 0.2 because zeros to the right of a decimal does not have an impact on anything. It has no value. The price was $110.99 multiplied by 0.2. This is the discount, okay? I'm doing the discount right now. So 2 times 9. Notice how when we multiply, we ignore the decimals. We just move it at the very end. So 2 times 9 is 18, carry 1. 2 times 9 is 18, carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Count the decimal places after the decimal, so it's 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go back 1, 2, 3. So how much are we going to save? Wow, on Tuesdays we saved $22, and notice how the third number is an 8. That means that this will go up 1. We round to 19 cents. So the discount is $22.19. From the original price, $110.99, we're going to subtract 22.19. And 9 minus 9, again, we align, kind of, the decimal places, the decimal points. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. Bring down the decimal. Borrow. Now it's a 10 minus 2 is 8. And here is 1 and a 0 is 10 minus 2 is 8. So the new price is $88.80. That's my new price on Tuesdays. I have a discount of 20%. How much will the price be? That means that it's going to be 80%, right? It's 100 minus 20 gives me 80%. So this is another way of getting it directly. So 110.99. In decimal form, you go back 2 spaces to make it a decimal, so it's 0.8. Remember, we get rid of the zeros if the zeros are after the last significant number. So times 0.0, 8 times 9, 72. If you want to know the tricks, let me know and I'll share the link with you. Maybe I'll put it in this playlist at the very end, okay? So 8 times 9 is 72, carry the 7. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 7 is 78. Carry the 7. 8 times 0 is 0, so 7 more, plus 7 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. We move the decimal place back. We move the decimal 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3 right here. So that's, if we round, is 88.6 $78. Notice how it varies a little bit. So, and usually when we're rounding, that's where we lose those little cents. Okay, on weekends it's 13%, so you go back 2 spaces, always 2 spaces. Even you saw with 5%, you still went 2 spaces and put a 0 after the point. So it's going to be 0.13, and that's what you're going to be multiplying by the total price, which is $110.99. 3 times 9 is 27, carry the 2. 3 times 9 is 27, 28, 29, carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. For the 10th place, it's a 1, so 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. We add them. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1. 9, 10, 11, 12, carry 1. 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, and bring down the 1. We move 1, 2, 3, 4. After the decimal point, we have 4 spaces, so we are going to go to the left that many spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, rounding it again, 14 and 40, $14.40. Well, this is an 8. Remember that 5 or more on the thousands give 1 to the hundredths. So instead of 2, will be 3. That's my discount. Okay. Now this is the discount. We're going to get that off from the initial price, which is $110.99, minus 14, align the decimals in subtraction, 43. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. Bring down the decimal. Here is going to be 0. It becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And here is 10 minus 1 is 9. So you are going to pay $96.56. Let's do it with the other just to see how off it goes. So if you're getting a discount of 13%, that means that you would pay 100 minus 13 equals, what is it? 87%. Somebody will say, oh, now I understand. You're subtracting the discount. That means it gives you the total price you will be paying from the initial price. So by doing that, you just put the $110.99 times, go back 0.87. And we multiply. 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 60. And then multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, 63. 3 and carry the 6. The same. 7 times 9 is 63. 69. 7 times 0 is 0, and 6 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Now 8 times 9. 6, 7, 8 times 9. It's 70. 1 times 2 is 2. 72. Now you have 7. 8 times 9 is 72. 79, carry 7. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 7 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. You add them, you get 3. 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1. 16, carry 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, 15. And then 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. We count how many spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go back 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right here, which is 96 and 56 cents. This does not add anything to this one, so it's $96.56. If you can please give us a thumbs up, subscribe around here. This is a link to the entire unit on how to pass the CBEST. And here you will find another video. Have fun!